July 12th. A strong western ridge and widespread heat are the primary weather concerns today, with the greatest operational impacts extending from the Pacific coast interior through the Rockies and into portions of the plains. Airline hubs including Phoenix, Salt Lake City, Denver, and Western California terminals will be dealing with heat-driven density altitude concerns, terrain-related turbulence, and localized visibility or ceiling issues near coastal zones. Across the western states, high pressure remains the dominant feature, creating a stable, large-scale pattern but also supporting very hot temperatures across the deserts, Great Basin, and higher terrain. Around San Francisco and the California coast, the marine layer remains the main aviation consideration, with low clouds and reduced ceilings possible during the coastal morning period, before improving inland. Farther inland, strong daytime heating beneath the ridge will support increased thermal turbulence, especially near mountain ranges and over the desert southwest. The Rockies will continue to see hot and dry conditions, with mountain wave and terrain-driven turbulence concerns increasing during peak heating. Denver, Salt Lake City, and Boise will need attention to afternoon convective buildups near higher terrain, although the broader pattern remains dominated by subsidence and heat. Moving into the plains, the heat ridge continues to influence the region while pockets of instability develop where moisture and boundaries interact. Areas from Texas through the Central Plains may see scattered thunderstorms, with the main operational concerns being localized convection, gusty outflow winds, and temporary impacts to routes near developing cells. Dallas, Fort Worth, and surrounding Texas airspace will need monitoring for isolated storm development where daytime heating combines with available moisture. Across the Midwest and Great Lakes, weak boundaries and passing disturbances will continue to support areas of showers and thunderstorms. Chicago and surrounding major routes may experience scattered convective impacts, with brief reductions in visibility, lightning restrictions, and possible reroutes around stronger cells. In the Northeast, conditions remain generally influenced by warm and humid air with localized thunderstorm chances developing where instability increases. New York, Philadelphia, and Washington airspace should watch for isolated convection that could create short-term operational disruptions, especially near terminal areas during peak heating. Across the southeast and Gulf Coast, deep moisture remains in place with daily thunderstorm development expected. Atlanta, Orlando, Tampa, Miami, and Houston will continue to see the familiar summertime pattern of afternoon convection, driven by strong heating, sea breeze boundaries, and abundant low-level moisture. The primary concerns remain lightning, heavy rainfall reducing visibility, localized wind shifts, and temporary arrival or departure delays around stronger cells. Overall, today's weather pattern is defined by western heat and stability, interior turbulence from strong heating, and scattered convection where moisture and boundaries overlap. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.